thought that this plea would easily persuade Xerxes to about the entities meeting. The reason for saying that Criticisars had invaded the king's territory was that the Persians believe all Asia to belong to themselves, and whosoever is their king.
Come on, cool, fix your shit, man. Right together. Oh!
How may I help you?
Are you that stupid lady?
Please try again.
Whoa! I think we have the plan to play that. What the? Shit. What's wrong with this guy? Shit. Yeah, he's the...
Oh my god.
I thought he flipped. I thought he was gonna flip or something.
Yeah.
Pull over a little head. Okay. Alright. What is that? Next time I got you.
And Garrett, you guys sit down for a meal. My guess is you don't look in your watch once unless you're worried about a babysitter. Other than that, you're there to enjoy company and whatever comes along with it. You know.
Because Luke's party was today, and my mom had 2 beers at the party, so she couldn't drive. So I had to drive. And she had to get pie crust because they're having food at the church tomorrow. Homie!
What are you doing? Is that a problem? Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm changing lanes right here.
Why?
Because I'm going there.
Get out of the way.
You got a problem?
Get out of the way. Go back in your car. Get back in your car.
Oh my god, I think he has kids in the back. He is being a humiliating piece of shit.
If you've seen Invincible yet, they did the same thing there. Fucking idiot. He actually pulled into this lane doing that.
Whoa!
Wow, good thing I saw.
Oh my god! Wow! That was like inches away.
much effort and back in a temper, beat a lesson. Denver, progress of my feet like a Daniel.
Available options
You
are track
fucking
1 to
kidding
250.
me?
Next track.
Are you
Previous
fucking
track,
kidding?
List devices. You connect devices.
Saka makasira yun doon sa motor. Tapos mo doon sa may tabi ng bato. Baba! Inay, ano ba yan? Oh, bigla ka naman lumipat. Talaga ka naman bobo to. Oh.
Ano?
What the fuck? We hear news reports from the very pay attention, you fucking idiot! Intellectual superiors on the Upper East Coast. They are big enough. If you had yourself like a finally erupting, I'd be pretty horned up too if I was buried. No kidding. And National Geographic even spent time on the issue. What the fuck? Excessive cicadas beating in your area.
Oh snap!
I'm hungry.
I want to eat too.
I gotta go to the store now. What the?
Yeah, I just started reading it. It's fucking fascinating. And then I'm like, wait, is this one of those things where you gotta check your source? So I'm like, am I reading this book? And then this is like, you're like, oh, you like this? And you start reading, you're like, this Candace Owenley has got a lot of great ideas.
UFO doesn't mean alien. A UFO means we don't know what it is.
I know that, but I don't think.
So,
I think this guy that you're goofing on with the crooked.
Oh, he apparently is part of like the.
But I don't think.
So,
I think this guy that you're goofing on with the crooked.
Oh, he apparently is part of like the UFO. He apparently is part of like the UFO truther movement and everything too. But I guess I don't think any more.
Well, yes, oh.
What the fuck was that?
You know, man. She's stupid.
1981. He said, quote, okay, they were at playing at Cleveland, and fog had delayed the beginning of the game. Yeah. Fog rolled in, they couldn't see, so it was delayed. So they asked Oil Can about it because he was pitching that day, and he said, hey, when you build a building on the ocean, what do you expect? You